How aircraft are built. Part 2, The Giant Puzzle. This is part 2 of a series developed by Jotore Aviation Consulting. Assembly and integration. It takes thousands of people and over 3 million parts to bring one aircraft to life. Fuselage sections might be built in Italy, wings in the UK, and avionics in France, all of which must be manufactured and transported in time to converge at the final assembly line, joining the pieces. When major sections arrive, they're precisely joined using enormous fixtures and jigs whilst moving along an assembly line. Accuracy is imperative. Any misaligned component or fuselage sections can halt production and drive costly delay penalties to manufacturers. Installing systems. Inside, technicians install electrical, hydraulic, and avionics systems, the veins and nerves of the aircraft. Once these systems are in place, the cabin can be installed to the operator's requested specifications. Every cable and sensor must be adjusted, tested, and certified by engineers. Quality control and testing. Before moving forward, certain components must pass through quality stage gates and be inspected. These inspections can be non-destructive testing, such as X-rays and ultrasound, or detailed human inspections to guarantee integrity. With the structure now complete, it's not quite ready yet. In Part 3, we'll bring the aircraft to life, with engines, paint, and its first flight. Like and subscribe to Jotore Aviation Consulting.